Good morning, all of you. Welcome to the Junior Preschool. I am your Kalyani teacher. Today we are going to teach how to draw a heart. Let's start. We require a blank paper, a pen or pencil or sketch pen or crayon. Let's start the activity. Yes, this is a pen. Okay. We are going to draw how to draw a heart. First, draw a sleeping line. After that, make a triangle of this using this sleeping line. Now draw two standing line here and draw one sleeping line. Now by using again two more standing line and one sleeping line, we make a door, and here draw small squares to make a window. Our hut is ready, and here we can draw two standing line and one sleeping line to make a chimney. This is our hut. Do practice of this hut at your home. Thank you.